Welcome to Hrit Academy. We invite you to the Orientation and Welcome Program for the academic year 2081, designed for new students of grade 11.
The program features special performances by actor and musician Mr. Sher singer Ms. Rimal, and comedian and singer Mr. Rajendra.
Mark your calendars. The event takes place at Smart Palace, Chabahil, Kathmandu on 18th Shrawan 2081, the 2nd of August 2024, starting at 9:30 a.m.
Expect an exciting day with informative sessions and opportunities to connect with your peers and renowned faculty members.
Highlights include a welcome address by the principal, faculty introductions, a campus tour, and meet and greet sessions with renowned lecturers and staffs.
Enjoy cultural performances, a magic show, live entertainment, refreshment, and socializing to make lasting connections.
We look forward to seeing you there and starting this incredible journey together at Hrit Academy.
Smart choice for smart students.